It's Kareem and I'm back with another crochet review. I know it's been a while, but I am here reviewing one of my favorite looks, which is boho crochet faux locs. I am wearing the Freetress Boho Hippie Locs in the 20-inch, and I was hesitant to get these because I was like, I'm not gonna like them. They're gonna be like every other boho loc that I've tried. Well, I've only tried two, so not every other. So the other two that I've tried that I was not as impressed with, but I got them because I thought I was gonna wear them short term. So I had every intention to take these out as soon as I got back from vacation in April. Yeah, so they have far exceeded my expectations. Here is one up close. These are, like I said, about 2 months old. I have vacationed in them. I've been in the pool with them. I've washed them. These are the truth. I'm so impressed by the Hippie Locs. Why didn't y'all tell me that I was messing with other stuff that looked pretty but really wasn't functional? Let's get to my categories: texture, wearability, and versatility. The texture of these locks are very soft. That's something I look for and prefer. So the texture is beautiful. The weight is, these are very lightweight locks, especially for having them crocheted in. The last two looks I did a unit for them and I threw away both. Those were, you know, they were okay. I had about the same amount that I have now, which is 4 3/4. They're a lightweight lock. Unless you get them wet. If you get them wet in a pool or at the beach or something like that, you're definitely going to feel whatever the weight is of, or the weight of however many packs you have in your hair. But otherwise, when they're just, you know, everyday flow, nice and light, whether they're up or whether you have them down. And, you know, segueing to the versatility, I find with boho locs, I want to be able to make sure it looks good if I style it up, or of course, you know, wearing it down with its full boho-licious. Oh wait, before I go to versatility, I didn't talk about maintenance. One of the biggest things with the river locks that I wore and the Motown Tress boho locs was the tangle. Oh my gosh, the tangle was unbearable. Well, I am happy to say that even after 2 months, even after these things are kind of on their last leg, so to speak, tangle free. I mean, you do have to detangle it a little bit and you'll get your little fuzzies off at the end, but it is absolutely low maintenance. It's nothing like I found with the other two boho locs that I wore. So, I mean, these can go the distance as far as I'm concerned. If you are a boho loc lover like me, that's my favorite type of lock with the little hair coming out again. I think these can go the distance. With my little 5 latch hook rating system, where 1 is of course the worst and 5 is the best. These get a glowing 5 latch hooks up. I was absolutely like overwhelmingly happy with these. They changed and renewed my hope in boho locs because I was kind of like, I don't know if I really want to try them anymore, or I was determined only to wear them for a very short term wear, you know, like maybe 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks to get the job done of wherever I wanted to achieve this look, or however I wanted to achieve this look, and then be done with them. But these boho hippie locs were like, no girl, we got you. We gonna rock with you until you ready to roll, you know, until you ready for us to roll. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm adding my voice to the chorus of those who are singing the praise of Freetress Hippie Locs. Absolutely, I'd say they're the best, you know, but I haven't tried all of them. But I'm going to tell you they're the best that I have tried. So if that means anything to you, take it and use it for all that it's worth. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you will come back. And until the next time, take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.